Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Ashimary Hair. They sent me their 99J burgundy wig. Guys, this is the wig. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I've never tried this color before, so I'm really excited to try out this color. This wig is a 5x5 closure wig, by the way, and I use my ebony lacing spray on the wig just so it blends well with my skin. And I went ahead to use my hot comb, do all that stuff. Then I also went ahead to use my mousse and then use my diffuser just so I can get perfect defined curls, as you guys will see in the video. So y'all make sure you sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Do not forget to give the video a huge thumbs up, and yeah. Guys, look at how this wig is popping. Look at the color. Everything is just so beautiful. I went ahead to install my wig. I made use of my got2be spray just so my wig stays in place on my head, and I also made use of the adjustable strap that came with the wig. I also made use of the got2be on my baby hairs just so my baby hairs stays down. I did my baby hairs, and I went ahead to use a small comb to like pick out the curls a little on my wig so the hair can be full. This hair is 250% density, guys. This hair is pretty full, so yeah, I used my comb just so I can get more volume out of the hair.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change.
So guys, this is the finished look of the hair. You can see how your girl is looking all beautiful. Guys, this hair is giving Rihanna vibes. This hair is definitely giving Rihanna vibes. I love this hair so much, guys. This is the first time like that I am having this kind of color. This color is burgundy color, and this hair is a 5x5 closure wig, and it is from Ashimary. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like if you are scared of trying out colors, like you are not really into trying out colored hair, then I think you should give this a try out, because honestly this hair is giving, and I love how full this hair is. This hair is 250% density, so you can see how the hair is full, and it is so lightweight on the head. It is so comfortable, and the hair, it didn't really shred that much when I was like combing out the hair and diffusing it, although I kind of experienced some color was coming out of the hair as I applied water to it. But other than that, this hair is gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. This hair, guys, can you see how this hair is giving? Like this hair is definitely giving. I am in love. Ashimary, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful wig. I love this wig so much, and guys, do well to check my description box, because all the details of this hair is going to be there, and if there's going to be any coupon code or not, everything is just going to be in my description box. So make sure you click on the title of this video so it can take you straight to my description box, and do well to place your order for this beautiful. Guys, can you see how this hair is blending with my skin? Like hair on flick, skin on flick, like you all know the vibes. And guys, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and share this video with your friends or anybody that you know who want to buy, like want to try out this color, so they can go and purchase this hair from Ashimary. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye guys.